Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can switch your account on Instagram to a private account, or in other words, how you can lock your account on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, locking your account on Instagram does have the benefit of, well, making your profile private, so the only people that can see your posts and engage with your account, well, more closely are people who follow you and who sometimes you follow back. Now, it is very easily done, and make sure that you do not have a business account or a creator account, since that does not allow you to lock your account and make it private. So if you fill out those, well, requirements, then you can proceed to make your account private. To do that, you need to go to your account in the bottom right under your profile picture. Just tap on that, then tap on the three bars on the top right to enter your settings and activity. Then you want to scroll down until you see account privacy, click on that, and then all you need to do is tap this slider to make your account private, click switch to private, and that is all it takes. Now your account is private and people won't be able to see what you post unless they follow you, and that is all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.